Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to renew your European Health Insurance card in Portugal. You can renew your European Health Insurance card for free using the official Segurança Social Direta website or the Segurança Social plus Proxima mobile app. Renewal is available up to 30 days before your card expires. Just log in, request the renewal, and confirm your details. Your new European Health Insurance card will be mailed to your registered address. If you prefer in-person service, you can also visit a social security office or a citizen shop for help. And that's it. Renewing your European Health Insurance card in Portugal is quick, easy, and completely free. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.